Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this RV garage pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 6885 Avienda de los Foothills in the Arroyos at Havasu Foothills. This was listed about a month ago, 1.399. Has your double RV garage, paver drive. Of course, it's in the foothills, so everything is nice. So it has the nice stacked stonework, nice 8-foot entry door. Let's go check it out. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2022, 2,391 square feet. Sits on a pretty decent lot, 12,415 square feet. Again, just listed a few weeks ago for 1.399. Nice open living area, tall vaulted ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, large format tile, 4-inch baseboards, troweled down walls and ceilings. So they got a electric fireplace with tile to the ceiling, 2 skylights. They have a double slider and another slider to the pool area. Little bar area with a fridge. It's all pre-wired for sound. Has a nice open kitchen, waterfall quartz edges on the kitchen island, upgraded cabinets, tiled backsplash. All the cabinets are soft touch close, stainless appliances. So this is a Calco build, so this is what they do. They do the big hidden walk-in pantries, the little coffee bar type setup. Has the little pop-ups for power and USB. There's actually 2 of them on the island. So this is a split floor plan, so you have some bedrooms at the front of the house, and then you have the master, laundry, and garage access on the other side. This is the master. Vaulted ceilings in here, can lights, nice ceiling fan. You have your slider out to the backyard pool area. Double glass barn doors to the master bath. So you have a real nice master bath, dual sinks with granite, or sorry, not granite, quartz tops, dual mirrors, big skylight, glass door, walk-in shower with a rain head. You have your soaker tub. Toilet with its own frosted glass door. And of course your walk-in closet. All right, let's head to the other side and see what else we can find. So off the master you have your indoor laundry. All right, so back off the entry, we're just going to hit them as we get them. So the door on the right is garage access. And you have a couple guest bedrooms and a guest bath. This looks like the kids' bathroom. Same tops, tile to the ceiling in the bath. So the next room to the right of the bathroom is another guest bedroom. So all the doors are, of course, 4-hinged 8-foot, and even the sliders are frosted glass. So across the hall you have the second guest bedroom. It's pretty much the same setup. Double frosted doors on the closet. All right, so on the front entry, there's a junior master suite at the front of the house. So here's your little junior master suite. Tall ceilings in here, plantation shutters. They're kind of just using it as an office. Here's your little ensuite bathroom. Tile to the ceiling, glass door, shower. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so you have a pretty cool garage setup. They did like a stack stone wall with a TV in the back of the 2-car garage that is 29 feet deep. Has an 8-foot door. All these houses up here do have fire sprinkler systems. So you also have a double RV garage with 2 doors. One door is 12 feet wide and the other door is 14 feet wide, and both are 14 feet high, both insulated. You got the LED lights in the ceiling. The garage is 67 feet deep, and there is it's got a little kick out. So this side's like 45.5 feet deep, and then as you go to the back where the rear roll-up door is, this bay's 67 feet deep. So the rear door is approximately 10 feet wide, which would make the opening about 12 feet wide. So you could stick this coach in here as well. There's 2 mini split AC units. You have a little utility sink, and this is where your soft water, water heater, and RO lives. So we're heading out the double door slider to the backyard. Nice backyard setup. They did paver decking with travertine coping, pop-up cleaners it looks like, or maybe that's just a umbrella stand. LED lights, nice Baja shelf. Nice big side yard with room for a gazebo or patio, bar area. You have your roll-up door in the rear, which would make it cool for indoor-outdoor setup once the bar is put in or whatever you do. So you have all your pool equipment that lives behind this wall. And it's heated with propane. Looks like they leased the tank from AB Propane. So they service it, fill it, etc. So the lot actually goes up a bit. So I don't know, maybe you could put some palm trees up there or something. Have a little gas fire pit. It's also a nice big spa. So I noticed they did something a little bit different than what I usually see. They did like plank tile for the waterline tile. It's like a wood grained porcelain plank type tile, which is kind of cool. Little side access. There is a doggy door right here that's off the living room. Covered patio, a couple ceiling fans, and pre-wire for TVs, speakers, etc. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the walkthrough over here on Avienda de los Foothills. Again, this one is listed for $1.399. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.